In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate your Wix bookings with your Google Calendar. This will help streamline your scheduling process and ensure you never miss an important appointment. First, you'll want to head over to Wix.com. Begin by logging into your account, which will grant you access to the dashboard where you can manage all your sites. If you're uncertain about how to log in, just use your registered email, follow the instructions, and you'll be in no time. Once you've logged in, your next step is to select the site where either Wix Bookings or Wix Fit is installed. You'll recognize it on your dashboard, so just click on it to get started. Now, look for the booking calendar option. This is where all your booking magic happens, so make sure you're in the right spot before proceeding. Now, you'll want to look for the options button in the booking calendar. This button gives you access to a range of settings that allow you to tweak and refine how your bookings are managed. Among these settings, you'll find the Sync Personal Calendar option. Click on it, and this is where the connection to your Google Calendar begins. The next step involves connecting your Google Calendar. To do this, simply locate and click on Connect Google Calendar. Doing so will open a pop-up window where you will be prompted to log into your Google account. It's crucial here to select the correct account, especially if you manage multiple calendars. Once you're logged in, give Wix the necessary permissions to access and manage your calendars. Don't worry, this is entirely secure, and those permissions are essential for the successful integration of your calendars. After granting permissions, you'll need to choose which Google Calendar you want to sync with your Wix account. Make your selection carefully to ensure all your bookings show up exactly where you want them. With that done, the final steps involve saving and confirming your sync settings. Look for the Save button and click on it. Next, refresh your Wix calendar to make sure everything is updated and synced correctly. A good practice to confirm that the connection is working is to test the sync by adding a new booking in Wix and checking whether it appears in your Google Calendar. And there you have it, a fully integrated booking system between Wix and Google Calendar. By following these simple steps, you'll have created a seamless, efficient way to manage your appointments and bookings, ensuring that you remain organized and on top of your schedule. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.